If you're celiac and you love pancakes, I got the easiest recipe for you. All you need is some milk, an egg, some gluten-free flour, some icing sugar, salt, and butter. And you'll have the best pancakes. This will take you about 2 to 3 minutes to make, and trust me, you'll enjoy them. Take your milk, it's 1.5 cups of milk, put it in here. Start your blender, put the cap over it, you know, you don't want this flying all over the place. Take an egg, gluten-free flour, 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. You could put less, you don't need to put it, it's up to you. And a little bit of salt. This is a crepe pan. Watch out, it's cast iron, so the heat transfers to the handle. You don't want to burn your hand. So I like to use some butter. And then let's pour some of the dough right over here. You move the dough around so it goes nice and evenly. Don't just use it to serve cakes, use it to flip crepes. Look over here, do a little flip. I'm using this portable induction stovetop so I could show it to you on camera, but unfortunately, with these things, they don't really distribute the heat evenly. So I'm gonna make one crepe on my home induction stovetop so you could see how it should look like. There you go. You see, when you cook the pancake, not on one of these, but on a proper stovetop, you're gonna get better results. Let me put it on the plate and flip it so you can see how the other side looks. Look at that beauty. Isn't she beautiful? Come on. So when it comes to crepes or pancakes, I'll never eat this with some corn syrup. You gotta have maple syrup, the real McCoy. So what I like to do is just put a little bit of maple syrup, and I like to fold it. This is exactly what I do for my kids. And then you take a little bit of powdered sugar, a few strawberries like that, and add a little bit more powdered sugar. I'm ready to eat this. I made this gluten-free because my wife is celiac, my kids are celiac. So for all you celiacs, try these crepes out. You'll enjoy it. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And if you liked the video, check out these other great videos.